There are about 5,200 large dams in India, and about 447 are under construction. So it is a top priority of Government of India that the dams that have been made are safe, and that dams which are to be constructed in future are also safe.
The dam safety is a very important discipline, even though a relatively new discipline in India. India has got a growing population of dams, especially we have got dams which are now more than about 30 to 40 years old. And those dams having been designed with a different criteria, and now the state of art has changed to the better rigorous criteria. So there is an urgent need for reviewing the safety status of the dam.
Dam safety conferences were started almost with the DRIP. Previously we were going at national. So there were 3 national dam safety conferences organized in 3 years, that is 2015, 2016 and 2017. But because of this World Bank aided project, and also because of our exposure to our international consultant, that is Aegis OW, we thought that we should now go truly international and invite the entire expertise of the world available everywhere, the best of the people available everywhere. And we are thankful to World Bank for assisting us in collecting this entire expertise.
About 600 members participated for the conference. It is a well planned, well disciplined and a marvelous event.
The event was very well organized. I was more than surprised to meet so many international players.
The people it brings on a single platform, from academia, from industry, from operators, from authorities. I think there is all the stakeholders of dams are on board.
I noticed that there's really an interest here in innovations, in applying new technologies for dam safety and water management, and that is very interesting to see.
And that you see how knowledgeable the industry, the consultants, the presentations, but more important, how well aligned they are with policy and how the government is putting the focus on dam safety and making all the other sectors to be perfectly aligned so that the energy is maximized.
We have seen very nice presentation on dam safety risk assessment, and I think this is the key point for the direct project.
Key ideas that I will bring home are the lessons learned from different dam owners here in India, what they learned from rehabilitation techniques, from their dam safety actions in the last years, and I think that they are right now in a really good way, roadmap for dam safety, and we can learn a lot from their experience.
This gathering has been one of the biggest gatherings we have had in dam safety for years. I remember I participated in the first dam safety conference also, where there were just maybe 100 participants. And this time I think we had more than 600 to 700 participants, and participation has been from industry, from dam owners, from academic institutes. So overall it has been a good experience, and the more important thing is this interaction has to continue.
I think this conference is very important for India, because India is a country who developed since a long time dams and reservoirs. They are also vital for this country, not only for irrigation but also for energy production, electricity production. And I think this conference is important in order to ensure that the existing dams are operated in future also safely. And of course, it's also the justification if the existing dams are well operated and also put on the highest level of safety, that then you can go forward for the urgently needed new project of new dams.
It is really a matter of great honor and prestige that a very large number of top international experts are attending this international conference on dam safety. This conference is definitely going to deliberate on the latest state-of-the-art technology and the latest management practices in the field of dam safety. Central Water Commission along with the consultants have prepared 7 number of guidelines and manuals. These have been published and they were released today in the Dam Safety Conference. So I am confident that this conference will be a milestone in the journey of dam safety in the country.
It's a privilege for us and it's a pleasure for the Central Water Commission and the whole of India to welcome our overseas guests. So this is my message to the, you can say, our respected guests and the, you can say, participants from the overseas. Please come again to India and be the part of our big event that is being to be held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha next year. Thank you.